hydroponic features. Today's second project, because the first project was me sowing the seeds for the flowers for the cut flower garden. Today's second project is me putting together this deep water culture hydroponic center. And so I wanted to show y'all the before. These are all the supplies needed. I ordered it online and got all of my supplies set out. I got them a couple of days ago, but I was working, so I wasn't able to put it together or look at it, which bit me in the butt because I have that bucket without its neti pot. So in order to put a plant in there, I need a net pot, a big net pot. So I'm going to set up all of the system except that one. I'm gonna call them tomorrow and see about getting a net pot sent. Here is the other supplies. That's the pump right there. That's the pump. And then the air pumps right here. So those are like the major things. And then I have to, once I get it all together, I'm gonna have to check the pH balance of the water. So that is that. But I messed around and I bought the wrong plant food. So I'm going to have to order some more of that. So it's kind of going to sit probably for a few days, for about a week before I'm able to put my peppers in there. Or I might put my peppers in there and just let them sit in water, but I don't think that's going to work. And I don't want to lose my peppers because I overwintered them and they are still live. And this one is leaning because I was getting ready to try to see if I was going to put it in there, but then I decided, okay, wait, you don't have the right stuff, so I had to put it something else. Oh, so this is where we're starting. I'm gonna hook y'all up so y'all can see what it looks like putting it together, and then I want to show y'all the the tomatoes. Tomatoes are up, and actually all of them are up because they are up and they are up. So I have to create a hydroponic system for that. And I have another one coming. So that's that. And I will talk to you later. Okay, so here's the first thing, which is the instructions. And then I think the first thing I'm gonna do is take the neti pot and the plugs. I'm gonna make sure put the plugs inside the neti pot hole. That's my first step. I'm gonna do all 8 of them. So the next thing I'm gonna do is put this together. From here, put these things together. Okay, so the supplies from that is this right here. This right here. So this, and then I believe it's these right here. Looking correctly, yeah, it's that, which is these, and and I need some scissors, and they all connect to these air balls, but we'll do that separately. So here we go. Oh, one more thing I forgot. Boom, we need that. And this goes. And here, I'm going to hydroponic to make it some more secure. And then I'll set it up here. You can see it. Up there. And then what goes after that is twisting it on. That's there. Alright, I got the blue strip in for the water measurement. I don't know if you can see, if I put it up close, you see that's where the water is in it right now. It's filled up with, well, it's not filled up with, but it has water in it. I'm checking it because I started off with that one, and I was going to check it with the water and the earth pump thing, earth stone, but the water kept dripping out of it, so that means I need to probably deal with the straw. I call it the straw, the leveler. So with that being said, this one works. See, the water's in here, and the leveler shows that the water level is about here. Yep, about there. So this one's working. Okay, putting the bucket together. This hole, these right here, go in here like that. These, can you see them? These. Goes in here. that. So that's where that goes. This tube goes enough. That's how you do that. Okay, what is up, guys? Here is the halfway point of building the hydroponic center, the deep water culture hydroponic center. I have gotten most of the buckets put together with water in them. Levelers are done. The thing that's not done is the air stones. So I still got to put the air stones in. I think this is the only one that has the air stone in it, but it don't have the leveler on it because I overcut the leveler and it's too short and can't fit. So I had to find, and I did that with a couple of them, so I had to devise another way to get the leveler. So I ended up having to find some plastic tubing and put those on there. So I got to do that. I have to replace that on that one, and then I'm put the earth stones on them, and I got the water in there. Yeah, water's in there. I think the water's in there too. The water's there. I just have to put the earth stone in there, and I'm not able to figure out why the earth stone is not working right now. Like, I put the earth stones in there, but they're not generating up. So I'm gonna figure that out. But the next plan is to finish up these buckets and then set it up to where I think the only one I'm gonna put in today is the fish fertilizer. I mean the pepper, and I'm gonna use the fish fertilizer, which I've been using on my plants, which look real good, right? But it stinks to high heaven in here. But I found out that you could use fish fertilizer as a hydroponic nutrients, as a hydroponic nutrient solution, and I did that, but the problem is it stinks really bad. Oh no, wait, and I'm tripping. Before I do this, when I put the water in all of them, I have to check the pH. So right after I finish fixing that bucket, I'm gonna check the pH, put the peppers, then the fish fertilizer. But this is the setup for it right now. Forget that light, it's leaning like that so it can get some light to those tomatoes and peppers. But this is the setup for my hydroponic pepper and tomatoes, and back there that's gonna be my DIY, do it yourself hydroponic center. So it's gonna look the same as that, just a little bit different. I'll show it to you when I get to it. But this is where we are right now. Okay, now I have to put some hot water on this tube. So to make sure the water was hot enough, I did the coffee thing so that it can soak in here. Still not enough water. Okay, so right now I'm trying to soak this pipe in here so it can be a little stretchy when I put it like that. So I can see, I'm trying to figure out, because I didn't do that with this one. I'm trying to figure out why the water's not going through the tube. I mean, not the water, the air is not going through the tube. So I'm pushing it down. Let me see if I can get some more hot water. Hold on. Okay, so here we are right there with the hot water. I'll put some more hot water in there. I'm letting it sit for a minute. Actually, I'll let it sit for a minute. See if it helps it loosen up, make it more moldable. So yeah, it's hot though. So there that go. All right, gang. I got it bubbling. I got the air bubbles working. It's 3 hours later. And I mean, for 3 hours I worked on it. But I got this one working. And I got this one over here working. And this one in here works, but I got it dripping. So I don't know why my bucket is dripping on the side. This one is dripping and this one is dripping. And then these bubblers are not working. So this one's not working at all. This one's not working at all. This one's not working at all. So I got these 3 not working. All the rest of them working, but these 2 dripping. So still here for repairs. 5 minutes later, I changed the water measurer, water leveler, and there it is working. So got this one working. That one's still working. This one's still working. That one's still not working. And I'm finna change this water leveler. This one is blue. And I'm gonna take this blue one out and put this clear one in. The only problem I have with the clear one is that it allows the sunlight shines and allows mold to come, or algae, not mold, algae to come. So I have to watch for that. And I don't think it'll be too much, but we'll measure it over the spring and see what it do. But yep, got that. About to change this one out and see if I can get this water to stop coming out. All right. Everybody is up and running. It's hours later. Fought the good fight. God is good. Everybody is running. Boom, 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 boom. And yes, so everybody's running. I got to fill her all the way up. I need to fill her all the way up. Well, I should and fill this one all the way up. And then I need to check my pH balance, but that's probably not gonna happen tonight because I'm tired, because it is absolutely dark out there. But I did get everybody running. I need to check the pH balance. That's the whole thing. That's the pH balance indicator, and then this is one is if it's too low. If it's too low, I put it in there and it makes it go up. And if it's like this is down. If it's too high, I use the red one to get it down. If it's too low, I use this one to put it up. But I don't think I'm going to do that right now. I think I'm just going to clean up this mess and pick it up in a couple of days. And there it is. Here it is. The not final results, but the completed kit. So everything is put together. I got the water levelers in. I have the stones in. I have the bubbles bubbling. So everything is in. And now all that's left to do is to put the plants in. So that's probably gonna be doing in a couple of days. And I'm lying. I just looked at the pH because I didn't do that because again it's dark and I don't feel like it. So I do have to test the pH of the water. I'll wipe these off, but I do have to test the pH of the water and adjust it if it needs to be. And then after I do that, then I can add the peppers and the fish fertilizer, and then we'll start working on our next project, which will be a DIY deep water culture system. But just this is what it looks like right now. All done, all fixed and put together.